I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps. Install TL Pro, sign in, and pick the correct workspace. Once logged in, set your time zone and default project template so timestamps and exports align. Make sure to enable integrations you need now. Doing this early avoids backtracking. Finally, grant file and notification permissions so imports and alerts work immediately. This saves time when you begin building projects. You now configure the core of your process. Create a project and select a template that matches your workflow, or start blank for full control. Next, import data from local files or connect cloud storage and APIs. Map fields carefully so outputs stay consistent. Once data is in, set triggers and automation rules to run tasks automatically and enable versioning so you can revert changes. Monitoring the first run helps you catch mapping errors early. You finish by running the pipeline and watching logs for errors and performance spikes. This confirms your configuration works at scale. After a successful run, export results to the format you need and share access or schedule regular exports. Don't forget to back up the workspace and tag a stable release. If things go wrong, check logs for the exact error code first. Most fixes are a field mapping or permission tweak, so adjust those and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.